guys, my name is Konstantin and it's another day in Thailand. Today I want to tell you about how to get the best experience of going to the waterfalls in Thailand. This is coming up. Thailand, it's a great destination of one-day weekend, and the Phliu Waterfall is one of them. That one. It's very easy to get here. It's located 150 kilometers from Pattaya and 200 kilometers from Bangkok, so only a couple hours driving here. The Phliu Waterfall is one of the biggest waterfalls in Thailand, and it's one of several waterfalls where you can actually get into the waterfall and swim there, which is prohibited in other locations in Thailand. Here's a couple shots for you to have a look. Briefly, what to do here. You can go trekking around waterfall, or you can actually climb through the river and to get to the waterfall itself. It's a lot of fun. Very important notice, you cannot bring your own food here, so you better eat everything before you come to the waterfall territory, or you just can keep all your drinks, all your alcohol or your food at the security guard and take it back after. Also, don't forget to wear a proper shoes. Never wear slippers on the waterfall, it's useless. The ticket price is 200 baht for a foreigner, and this waterfall open from 8 AM until 5 PM. Worst time of going to the waterfall, it's during the summertime, from May to August, because it's a hot season and there is no water in the waterfalls. If it's your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe, because much more videos will come soon. And you can watch one more episode about Khao Yai National Park, you just can click right here. Thanks for watching, travel more and spend your time different. See you guys. Also, click right here to know more about Pattaya Woods Inspire.